Hey y'all, welcome back to another video with your girl Simple Saucy. I know I have been missing in action, and I know you all have missed me, and I do miss you too. But today I will be doing a braided tutorial. I will be trying the knotless jumbo braids. So today I'll be switching up it a little. I'll be doing something totally different, trying a new method of doing knotless. I realize many of us still at this point have no idea of what knotless is or how to do knotless. So today I'll be showing you the easier route you can take to have your knotless braids. I won't be using any feed in. So for those of you who can't feed in braids, this tutorial is just for you. So you know that knotless has been trending. It has been on social media on all platforms, TikTok, YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, you name it. So today you're gonna learn how to do your knotless braid. So if you're new, please go ahead now and subscribe. If you're a returning subscriber, girl, go ahead and watch my previous video because I have been on the game, even though I am missing in some actions. But yeah, I'm at it. So I got you, honey. So please go ahead, like, share, and subscribe. Please leave a comment so I can know your opinion about this here. So without further ado, let us get right into this video.